This is James again with JJ Media Video Reviews, and we are going to be bringing you a local business today. It is a local landscaping business, and we are going to give you our input about how they are, and we hope you enjoy it. So stay tuned. Okay, we are back, and as I stated at the beginning, we're going to talk about landscaping. Landscaping here in South Florida is a very important part of living. Of course, here in South Florida, there are landscaping companies from all over, north, south, east to west, and you see trucks and trailers all over the place. There are some landscaping companies that have gotten so big that they have lost the personal touch, and that is one of the things that, to me, any business needs to have that personal contact, that personal touch. So today, the landscaping company I am bringing to you is R.W. Peters Lawn Services. R.W. Peters Lawn Services. They are actually located in Hobe Sound, but they do our lawn personally. What I'm basically telling you is, if you live in the Hobe Sound, Stuart, Florida area, call R.W. Peters Lawn Services and call the number shown, and you can get a hold of Brian, the owner. He's very personable and really tries to take care of the customer. And so if you need good quality lawn service, call R.W. Peters and they will take care of you. They do mowing, trimming, weeding, and they come through periodically for weed killer, and they just do the basic lawn maintenance. They're quick and they're very thorough, so I highly recommend R.W. Peters Lawn Services. Call them today. Thank you for watching, and if you want your business reviewed, please contact us, James at jjmediaonline.net, or go to our website, jjmediaonline.net, and we will review your service or business, whether it's home-based business, network marketing, and we rank videos, and we do video marketing, info video marketing. Thank you again. We will see you on the next video.